What if the beauty industry's most ignored problem became an award-winning global brand? This is the story they didn't see coming. A Jamaican woman, a problem nobody talked about, and a solution that changed everything. This is June Smith. June Smith grew up in Jamaica, a place where you don't wait to be chosen. You create, you adapt. You turn your handbag fashion. From early on, June learned a simple rule that would guide her entire life. If you make an observation, you have an obligation. Beauty was always around her. Friends asked for advice. Family trusted her eye. But no one, not even June, imagined where that instinct would lead. Years later, living in Canada, raising 3 sons, June noticed something most brands ignored, and most women felt quietly. Corns, discoloration, feet women felt embarrassed to show. She talked to her cousin, then to other women, and realized this wasn't rare, it was just unspoken. And when she looked for a solution, there was nothing. Then June asked a question that would change her life. If makeup can conceal imperfections on the face, why not on the feet? Simple, bold, unapologetically practical.